The plethora of injuries that are almost crippling the Jamaican team and our medal prospects in Paris. I mean, injuries will always occur in sports, but I don't think we have had a major championships with so many big injuries to so many key athletes leading into and during any single championships. Of course, one explanation is that the successive run of 2 world championships and now the Olympics in consecutive years, that cluster of high-level, high-intensity competition is taking a toll on many of the world's elite athletes, and the Jamaicans are no exception. And believe it or not, there's another World Championships coming up in Tokyo next year. So obviously, World Athletics and the IOC are not overly concerned as they try to normalize the international calendar after the dislocation caused by the COVID pandemic. We have to just live with it. More competition, more excitement for the fans, more income for the athletes, and subsequently, more injuries. But outside of the Maverick, who's complaining?